Hello. How's it going? So, I don't know what this is. See, the idea was to have some sort of like frozen queen, and I feel like I'm the Tin Man, but in drag. I don't know. So, this is the look. So, I put my contact lenses in off camera because these are a pain to put on, let's be honest. Anywho, I have done my foundation already because it's just foundation, it doesn't matter. So the base of this is essentially a smoky eye. I'm lining my waterline to begin with. I can almost see what I'm doing, so it's gonna be great. Once you have a rough base of eyeliner, then you want to pack on a ton of black eyeshadow. And then I'm blending out the edges with a brown eyeshadow. I'm gonna do the other eye. This is the easiest smoky eye, literally just black and a little bit of brown. And it doesn't have to be too perfect. Obviously, it's not a very glamorous look. I mean, this is pretty much the entire look. Like, this is as far as I imagined. Not much to it, really. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a bit of bronzer. This is Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess bronzer. For highlight, I'm using this Meron metallic powder, the nice silver. Now let's see what this goes. Weird enough, what I wanted to do was, of course, highlight. I'm using Becca Pearl highlighter. I think I need more silver. For lipstick, I'm using the same silver, but with a little bit of mixing medium. I'm lining the outside of my lips with black eyeshadow. Now to finish it off, I'm using a tiny little bit of mascara just to hide my lashes because I can see them even with these. I don't know if I want to add more silver. So whoops. Who's drilling? Oh great, my eyeballs are moving. Ow.